Hello Silly Bakers, let's make this protein egg white oatmeal recipe. First, I'm going to defrost about half a cup of frozen berries, or you can use fresh berries, whatever you prefer. We are actually going to make a protein slurry right now. So we're going to do a third of a cup of milk or water. I'm using soy milk here. And we're going to add a scoop of protein powder. This is just vanilla protein powder, use whatever you like. And you guys can use a whisk, but I like to use my frother for this. It is such a perfect tool to blend protein powder in liquid. We're just going to blend that until it's nice and smooth. And then we're going to set this aside and we're going to make our oatmeal. In a small sauce pot, we are going to add a third of a cup of rolled oats. This is sprouted rolled oats. You guys can use any oats that you love. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. A big dash of cinnamon. This is Ceylon cinnamon. A big pinch of salt. We are going to add our protein milk. And we're going to need a little more liquid. You could add a third a cup of water or milk. I'm going to use water for the recipe. We're going to turn the heat to a medium-low, and we're going to give the ingredients a really nice stir. And we're going to stir consistently throughout the process. We want to cook these oats until they're soft. We want to ensure that the mixture is not boiling. Also, forgot to add a little vanilla, just about half a teaspoon. And this should take about 4 minutes or so. We want to get this mixture nice and hot, but not boiling. Again, 4 or 5 minutes. This is after 4 minutes. You can see that it's thickened. And now we are going to slowly pour in half a cup of egg whites, stirring constantly. We want to ensure that we're not scrambling any eggs here. If you think it's weird to add egg whites to oatmeal, it just makes the mixture so creamy and so fluffy. It is incredible. And we're just going to keep stirring, and we're going to cook this for about 2 minutes on medium-low. You can see after about 2 minutes how creamy and fluffy this is. I'm going to turn off the heat and add my fruit just to warm them through. You could add half a banana to a full banana. You can add some blackberries. You can grate some zucchini, grate some carrot. The options are endless. Enjoy our protein egg white oatmeal. 395 calories, 48.5 grams of protein, and 10 grams of fiber. It is such a great breakfast, but it's also great any time of day. It is so creamy and fluffy. It is really, really delicious. I hope you guys give this one a try.